Hi, I'm Robert with France Enterprise. I'm here to show you my best video app. It's part of my videos collections. I have a page full of templates right here that you can browse through. There's 15 templates on each page, and I got 37 pages of templates. You can browse through by page, or you can go up here by category. We have logos, motion titles, live mock-ups, whiteboard, explainer, slideshows, and promos. We're going to go ahead and select the promo down here. Let's go ahead and choose that one. As you can see, they play right away when you click them. And if that's the one you decide to choose, you go down here and hit the buy video button right there. You could look at it again right here. You could go full screen right there and look at it one more time. Anyway, you put your name up right here. You put your email address in right here. You put your logo or any other picture or what have you in here when you want to upload it. You put your notes down in here. Basically, you're just going to describe the colors you want and whatever so that match your brand. And if you want me to write anything like in a motion title or anything else that requires any kind of writing, you want to write that in here. If it becomes extensive, I'll email you back and you can email me some more. Anyway, after that, you put your coupon code in here and you hit your PayPal button and pay down there. That'll take you to PayPal. You can pay for it. I'll get all that in a day and I'll get it back to you in a day. Anyway, I hope you find a video you like and enjoy.